Brett Yancey here, and in this video we're going to be learning how to use Microsoft Excel to calculate the confidence interval really easily. So you build out your spreadsheet and you want to get all of your terms there on the left, and we have a little worksheet column and we also have an answers column. So first thing, you want to get your alpha, which is, again, it's 1 minus 0.95. Your standard deviation, that's given in the problem, and your sample size is also given, along with the sample average, which is x bar. Now we want to obtain our confidence interval terms. So starting with the confidence interval error, we're going to take equals confidence.norm. We can just click the tooltip. Open parentheses, we want the standard deviation, which is, we want the alpha, the standard deviation, and the sample size. We have little commas after each term. We close our parentheses. And then to get our upper and lower limits, for our lower limit, we're going to take the sample average equals cell B6 minus cell B9, which is our error. And for our upper limit, we take equals sample average, which again is cell B6, plus our error. Those things both check out. And that's how we obtain our error with a confidence interval of 95%. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly via email. I hope you had some good takeaways from this lesson, and try it yourself. Thank you.